All right, I am back finally. Still working on stuff. I know I don't put up a lot of videos recently, but I'm still working on stuff. I'm still, committed to my year of learning, doing stuff every day. I promise. I swear, I would not. I would lie to you, but I'm kidding. Um, this is the current project. It's gonna be this, if you can see it. This kind of like dungeon door. It's a game asset, and this is what I've got done so far on it. This is also one of Grant Abbott's creations, one of his tutorials that I'm working on at the moment. I tend to only follow him anyway. He's really good at what he does, so this is it. We'll see how it looks when it's done, if it ever is completed, because texturing is the pain. It takes forever, and I've left a lot of projects to be textured later on, so I have a few waiting in the wings to be textured when I get the time. But I like the modeling process. The texturing process it's okay. It's not bad. So I will get them done eventually. But right now, let's concentrate on this and completing it, getting this skull in here, and getting the door all complete and no holes in it. So that's coming up next.